How to replace an LCD display on a Toshiba satellite L745D. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the four corner round white stickers. Next, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the four corner screws. Now, using a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool and starting at the top, gently pry apart the display housing. Once you have the top apart, gently pull and the rest of the clips will release. Pull straight up on the bottom two hinge covers. Remember to disconnect the webcam cable at the top. Again, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the two hinge screws. There are four small Phillips screws holding the LCD display to the hinge brackets. Remove these carefully. The LCD cable is held down by adhesive tape. Being very careful, slowly peel the cable and adhesive tape from the LCD display. Now pull the clip away from you to release the cable. Continue to pull the rest of the cable from the display. With the new LCD display facing down, gently plug the cable in and secure it down with the adhesive tape. Set the webcam cable on the same angle as it was on the old display. Placing the LCD display in the hinge brackets, carefully put the four small Phillips screws back in. Next, screw in the two bottom hinge Phillips screws. Be sure to tuck the display cable in and reconnect the webcam cable. Placing the bottom end in first, place the display cover back on. Pressing together on the edges of the two plastic display covers, snap the two together. Now screw the 4 Phillips corner screws back in. Finally, replace the 4 corner white round stickers.